Coach, can you take the name for us?
Keon Broderick.
All right, so Coach, disappointing result, but it was a brilliant performance where team, the tactical battle between you and the next coach, in-game management, in the game display as well, changing system right through the game. Can you tell us about the game?
Well, we started how we wanted to start. We enforced basically a 3-5-2, pressing with two in the front line because we know that St. Catherine wanted to possess the ball. So we want them to possess it and cough up some balls. We did that, and I believe the first goal came as a result of that. We did give away 2 easy goals. You could look at it. They worked for it, St. Catherine, but nonetheless the boys regrouped and they kept the composure. We asked them to give everything in the second half, and also we made some tactical adjustments, especially in midfield, and that bore some fruit for us in the 2 goals we scored in the second half.
How impressed with you, were you with the professional character that these boys show, and also the level of composure that they show throughout the 90 minutes of football?
Definitely not surprised. This team has quality all around the park, especially in the final third, and it was on full display today. I mean, Kimarley Scott, Damarley Williams, and also Shadiko Williams, they are brilliant players and they displayed that today. So I'm not surprised of the performance. We just wanted to limit the amount of mistakes that we made in and around the back of the park. We were not successful in that, and that's why we drew the game today.
Coach, and now going on to the Walker Cup, is it the same momentum, same mindset going to that competition?
Definitely, it is a competition and it is a trophy to be won, and we're fully focused now going into the Walker Cup, just so we can bring something back to Mountain View Avenue.
All right, Coach, brilliant game, possibly one of the best game watching so far this season. Yeah, man, bless up.